Today, we're going to be having a look at these set of Winfield Woolworths shadeless coloured lights. So I dug these out the box. They were out of a bundle that I got last year. We went through an unboxing video or an unbagging video. You can have a look at that up here. And just thought to see if we could get them going again, see if we could get them working. Because no doubt they'll have faults because they actually came as a pair. There's another set here. And we'll get one of them working today. And hopefully it'll be a little fault finding exercise as well. Right, let's get them turned on. Just put a, actually before I put a plug on I've got to do some braiding because it's all come undone. There we go. It's almost factory. Don't need to see me do a plug. See me do it many times. There's that done. No idea if they work, but we're about to find out. And they don't work. Right. Have a look. Right, the whole set is live, so I'm gonna just quickly swap the terminals round, swap the wires round on the plug so that the live goes straight to this fuse bulb first, because at the moment the live is going through the whole set, so it's impossible to find a blown bulb or the fault in the circuit, so just bear with me. That would be my prime suspect. Luckily, we have an abundance of spares because we have the sister set, which also has a few bulbs missing, so we'll just wrap up the cable first. Fuse bulb. Right, it's a little bit of a faff, but as you can see, it's live there, but not live there. So we know that the problem is our fuse bulb, because the live's going in and not going back out. So hopefully this will be the end of our problems on this set of lights. Just swap these two bulbs over. Hopefully this fuse bulb from the other set works. No, of course it doesn't. But it keeps us going. This bulb works, and it'll take us to the next fault down the line. Okay. This pink one. Oh, hello. Great lack of terminals. This is weird. Who put that in there? Who put that in there? It's just rubbish, isn't it? Okay. Well, there's a pink one, so we'll get a pink one off here. So far we had a fuse bulb and a bulb with absolutely no terminals on it, which I have never seen before. So I have no idea what people are playing with on that one. Yellow one. And another one. This one has one terminal there and one missing. Well, there's your problem. And that's still not it. Let's have a look. Potentially this green one. Looks like it's just a skewed terminal. Let's see. And yes, another one with terminals missing. What's going on with the satellites? Right, hopefully this will be it. Right, where's the M1 one? There it is. Right. There we go. Great. Thank you very much, sir. We've gained a problem somewhere else down the line. This blue one. Don't know why. How is this happening? This one's got no terminal on it, yet the whole light set nearly lit. It's like the terminals are snapping off inside. I can't even see if they are or not. Oh yeah, look. Oh look, the terminals are snapping off inside the lights. That's weird. Never seen a failure like that before. So there's a... oh wow, they are proper snapping off. And there we go. We've got a couple of... a dim bulb here. That looks like it's in the wrong set of lights. So I'll take you out. I'll put you in. Well, I've got them working. Colours are very faded. They all kind of blend in with each other. But they're not too bad for the age, I suppose. So we've got all these terminals here. All these terminals snapped off on the bulbs. Never seen that before. But got them working, so that's a vintage Woolworth Winfield lights, shadeless, just plain coloured bulbs, set of 40. I'm not sure what to do with them yet, but they're working. And you never throw away a decent set of lights, and they're vintage. Hope this helps you try and find some lights, and I'll catch you on the next one.